going on, y'all? What is up? Woo-pow! It's your boy, Big Bear Bro, in the house. And I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys is wondering what I got in this great, big old explosive package right there. We got the D12 brand spanking new Edifier Bluetooth speaker, real, raw, and uncut, courtesy from Edifier. If you guys love to have speakers in your office, if you guys love to have Bluetooth speakers all around your workout areas, listening to great music to refresh your mind. Now let's go up in here and open it up. And y'all, we is actually going to plug it up to see how this Edifier D12 Bluetooth speaker is blasted out, and we gonna see right here and jam to it. So let's see what we get up in here. We get the, you know, saying the aux cable cord. I'm gonna show you guys so that way you guys can know what you guys can get right here. So yes, it's come with 2 sets of, you know, cable cords right there for the auxiliary and auxiliary, you know, for the headphones. So yeah, okay, that's cool, because for the simple fact is that you can use one of these cables to hook in the back, and you can actually hook it up to like a you know, like I said, like a computer inside the headphone jack, or anywhere else needed to have like radio input. You get a remote control with all of the great features right there included with the Edifier D12 speaker, and it's very nice. It's very sleek too, as you guys can see right here close up. I'm gonna give you guys more close up of all the products up in this box as well. Right here, let's keep on going with you guys. And this thing is very big right there. It's very sleek. So let's see what we got going. Oh my gosh, I'm too excited because woo, this thing right here. Oh my gosh, real, raw, and uncut. Oh, okay, so as you guys can see right here, I'm gonna show you guys close up of the Edifier D12 speaker right there. Man, so it has 3 whole knobs right there of different each sections right there of your volume buttons, up and down, and also let me see the bass and treble buttons right there, as you guys can see on top of the speaker. I'm loving the way how everything is finished off with a wood finish. It will actually look very clean and very looking with any decorations that you put you know, across your furniture finishing line, or you know, whatever accessories that you use. By Edifier right there, the D12 Bluetooth speaker. But we're just about to hook it up and see what this thing is gonna be fired up right there, real, raw, and uncut. As I bring you guys the back panel of the Edifier D12 speaker, it's versatile with different type of hookups. As you guys can see, we get an on and off switch right there, we get a line in, we get an auxiliary in, and also for the sound right there, for exclusive extra hookups to your theater systems, to speakers, wherever you prefer to have this speaker hooked up to for Bluetooth connectivity. Everywhere you can have this D12 Edifier fired up speaker for your great needs. Like I said, the back panel is pretty nice. It's pretty smooth. Let's go take a look right here at the remote control, what it brings you sleek and smooth out of the box right there. As you guys can see right here, it brings you the Bluetooth button, the auxiliary sound, and also the line sound. And also right there, it brings you the volume of the up and down and the left and right rewind capabilities that's put into this remote control. Now let's bring it down right here to these knobs, because I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have been wondering what are these 3 knobs are. Now these 3 knobs right there are the controlling of the bass right there sound, and also the treble. And right here at the ending of the speaker right there on the right brings you guys the volume and the up and down sounds to play your D12 Edifier Bluetooth speaker right there. As you got to see the front of it right there looking very nice and sleek. Now here's another feature that you guys can bring to actually, if you guys want to have a more decorative with your Bluetooth D12 Edifier speaker. Now I'm gonna take off the front panel right there. As you guys can see, oh my gosh, it is looking very clean right there. Like I said, y'all, this speaker right there is featuring 70 watts of output of blasting music, 4-inch speakers right there, real, raw, and uncut. Look how sleek that looks. That looks very nice. You know what? This makes me wants to just hook it up in my car with a bunch of bass, boom with all the great music that you love to listen to. Look how clean, look how sleek that is. Very much looking of the D12 Edifier speaker. The finishing wood on both sides, look at that. It is looking very nice. And like I said, this speaker is decorated to use for very versatile rooms. Y'all, here we go. Here we go. The presidented sound that I'm about to bring you guys with this speaker. guys hear that? 70 sounds of watts blasting out this D12 Edifier speaker. Man, this is nice. I like the way this light is, where it indicates that it's hooked up Bluetooth. You can actually feel the air blowing out of both sides of the woofer speakers. Wow. This thing is this thing is blasting. Yep. There you go, y'all. You guys already know I had to bring it to you guys real up in here with this Edifier speaker. Courtesy from Edifier, y'all. So, y'all, with that being said, y'all, thank y'all for checking out my unboxing and also sound review of the Edifier D12 Bluetooth speaker, real raw and uncut. And like I said, y'all, thank you to the people at the courtesy company of Edifier. Go on the website and purchase you one and get the blasting. And I love you guys. Rate, comment, subscribe, y'all. Okay.